Borders don't divide life. They define it. Every living thing, from a cell to a civilization, exists in the first place because of boundaries. Without them, there's no identity, no structure, no creation through distinction, which is fundamental to creating order and purpose. The universe loves borders because borders make difference possible, and the adaptation of difference is the footing for life itself. In fact, all the liveliness within nature involves some form of independent separation. A cell draws a membrane between itself and what is not itself. A planet keeps its orbit distinct from another planet. Even light bends at boundaries, giving birth to color. Boundaries are not barriers. They are the universe's conditions for creation. Life unfolds through difference. Differing environments nurture their own unique symphony of form or of alternative expressions of the potential for existence. But imagine if everything blended into one endless sameness. No forests, no ocean, just one monotonous grey plain. Life would suffocate. Diversity is not an accident, it's the law of the universe. From galaxies to genes, existence depends on distinct patterns coexisting in dynamic tension. Human civilizations follow the same pattern. Each culture is an expression of consciousness exploring a different way to be human, or different philosophies and stories, each a living ecosystem of meaning. Political philosopher Isaiah Berlin called this value pluralism. The idea that there is no single perfect life, no one truth that can encompass all others. Humanity thrives when different ways of life coexist and learn from one another, not when they are forced into one global mold. Yet our age worships uniformity, a kind of global monoculture. We are told borders are obsolete, that sameness will bring peace. But sameness never brings peace. It brings stagnation, ending the vibrancy of life itself. The universe's unfolding creativity is distributed. It's not centralized in one place. It's a network of differences interacting with each other. This same principle guides human civilization. The healthiest world isn't ruled from one center. It's polycentric, like nature itself. That's why Nobel laureate Elinor Ostrom showed that multiple self-organizing systems outperform any top-down global control. Borders, in this sense, are not walls. They're edges of creativity, interfaces between distinct wholes. The universe has rules, and nature reveals how creation works when it follows these rules, as it must, to survive and thrive. At every boundary, life invents something new. The edge of a forest births unique species. Where fresh water meets salt water, ecosystems bloom, creating environments that support unique communities of life. The border is not an end. It's a beginning. But when one culture consumes all others, the creative spark dies. Uniformity kills creativity, the nature of the universe itself. Nietzsche warned us of this over a century ago, and I am paraphrasing, "He who would make all equal would destroy all meaning." Nietzsche's core argument was that value, meaning, and creativity emerge from difference, hierarchy, and contrast. He saw forced parallelism as an attempt to abolish the creative tension that gives life its intensity and direction. The infinite source, the origin of all things, unfolds through contrast. Just one color does not bring the universe to light. Each world, each culture, each person is a unique creation. To erase uniqueness in the name of progress is to deny the very principle by which the cosmos creates. The universe is not a melting pot. It's a mosaic. Each piece shines because it is distinct, but together they form a greater harmony. And in this harmony is a true unity, not in sameness, but in cooperation without conformity, giving birth to identity, to character, to culture, to the spirit of focused self-determination and the freedom not to be stifled by the soullessness of uniformity.